Hi, this is a video over solving quadratic equations, zero product property. This is day 1 of NTI. These are a couple questions from your question set. And what you need to know is that you're going to start with an equation, and then you can get the factors, and from the factors you get the solutions. So the first one, you're starting with factors. It says, what are the solutions to these factors? You need to know that these are factors. You should know they're factors because, while these are things you multiply into each other, they have parentheses. So the rule is that you set each factor equal to 0 and then solve, and then that gives you your solutions. So the first factor is 3. Well, 3 equals 0 is nothing because that's never true. You're really only going to have solutions for factors with x. So x minus 4 equals 0. Add 4 to both sides, and that's x equals 4. That's one of your solutions. And I think we just said that it's just the opposite. So if you have x minus 4, it's x equals 4. But again, these are not factors, these are solutions. You need to understand that there's a relationship between the two, but they are different. For this one, it's the same thing. Set the factor equal to 0 and solve. So this is 2-step. We'll add 3, and then we will divide by 2. And x is equal to 3 over 2, or 1.5, or 1.5, however you want to say it. But this quadratic touches the x-axis at 4 and at 3/2. Second one is, what are the roots? So this is good vocab, roots. This is another word for solutions. This is another word for x-intercepts. It's another word for zeros. So you need to be familiar with the vocab. This is asking you to find these solutions. So set it equal to 0. 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. You can see that I set it equal to 0 because it's x-intercepts or zeros. And so anytime you want to find the solution, set it equal to 0. Now, I don't want to add 10. I don't want to divide by -3. What I want to do is recognize that this is 3 parts. It's a quadratic, and so I want to play my game. I'm going to have -10, -3. This is going to be 5 and 2, and -5, since it's -3, -5 plus 2 is -3. So my factors are x minus 5, x plus 2. Okay, these are my factors. So here's my equation. My factors and my solutions are the bottom. That's x equals +5 and x equals -2. And those are the roots or solutions or x-intercepts or zeros, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully this is not too difficult since we've done it a lot. But again, it takes practice. It's never going to be easy without practice. But I think just looking at it, you should say, well, it should be easy. But again, it's hard if you don't have a lot of practice. Good luck. Stay safe.